Good morning, traders. This is Sean Oman, back from fxchatter.com. Today is Monday, June 27th, 2011. So welcome back to the Daily Fundamental Report, where we track the flow of money around the world, the effects that it has on currencies, and we use this information to make sure that we are on the right side of the trade today. So getting started, we've got some headwinds as markets search for a direction today, especially in the currency markets. We start off showing gold, which is down, which is positive US dollar, and oil is down, which is positive US dollar as well. However, equities are up, which is in contrast and giving us a negative flow away from the US dollar. Our treasuries are mixed, which is neutral, and our commodities are down, which is positive US dollar. So I think overall, with the fundamentals alone, we have what appears to be a range-bound market without a whole lot of movement. However, continuing with the economic news that came out this morning, we have the U.S. Federal Reserve looking to continue buying bonds with the interest income that they're currently receiving from their QE2 purchases. Our consumer spending stagnates in this month's release, showing very little positive energy in the U.S. economy, which is acting as a negative effect on the U.S. dollar as well. And we have the overall overriding continuing euro fears, which have been plaguing us for a while now and don't seem to be wanting to go away. So overall, our bias is for a range-bound dollar, unless we see gold or oil turn around and show a positive direction, which would add to strength for the negative US dollar. So we're going to be looking to trade a range-bound trading strategy today. Most likely we're going to be looking to sell the US dollar, but we're not going to be looking for any major movements, and we're going to be making sure that we have very strong technical signals before taking any kind of trade, as the flows are still trying to find a direction. So having said that, that's all we have for today. Make sure that you tune in after 4 p.m. for the market wrap-up report video that we do now every day, where we'll review the day's trading, the trades that we made, and also it can act as a good education or learning tool for you. So having said that, keep your eye on the fundamentals, looking for any changes or any added strength, and have a good day. Happy trading. Good morning, traders. Sean Oman here from fxchatter.com. Welcome back to the Daily Fundamental Report. Here we track the flow of money around the world and the effects that it has on currencies, and we use this fundamental information to help ensure that we're trading in the right direction. So let's get started. Today, markets opened and the bias is for a stronger US dollar. We have gold down and oil down and equities up. Our three key indicators, which are all pointing to a stronger US dollar. There's not a lot of strength in the markets at this point. Weak flows and slight volume. So we're going to be looking for a range-bound type of trade today, but we are going to be looking for to buy the dollar. Treasuries are mixed, which is neutral, but commodities are down, which is also adding to the positive effect on the US dollar. On the economic news front today, we had the Feds announce that they will probably continue buying bonds, not an official QE3, but with the continuing income from the bonds that they already have, they'll have about $300 billion to continue buying bonds. And the consumer spending report came out this morning, and it was basically flat, which is giving us a little bit of headwinds. Not great news for the dollar. But overall, still, we have the continuing euro fears, which are showing a lot of uncertainty still, and helping to add to the overall bias for buying the US dollar. So our strategy for today will be to buy a range-bound US dollar. We'll be using our range-bound strategies. We have weak flows today, so don't look for any big major moves. But again, the bias is slightly stronger for the US dollar, so look to buy the US dollar. So that's it for our report this morning. Check back with us at after 4 p.m. today, after the market closes, and watch our market wrap-up video. Hopefully that will be helpful to you. And with that, I'll say happy trading and have a great day.